Hi, my name is Jesse, and I'm the Director of Product SEO at Kayak, and I'm also the Managing Director of Kayak Germany. And I'm a pretty big fan of online courses. I'm a huge fan of online courses because they allow you to learn at your own customized schedule whenever it's convenient for you. Taking an online course is also a quick and effective way to gain new skills that can help boost your career. And it's also just great to be able to take one or two classes online to quickly develop and get certified for a skill without having to wait years for a certification, as people often have to do in order to get like a traditional educational certification or degree. An online course that I've taken and I would recommend to anyone interested in online marketing or data science, to anyone interested in learning the basics about website data collection and analysis. Google Analytics for Beginners is a course I would suggest that's offered by Google Analytics Academy. I recommend Google Analytics for Beginners because it's a pretty useful and also free introductory course to one of the most popular analytics tools used by so many online technology companies. And having a solid understanding of how to use Google Analytics is a really valuable skill to have on your resume. After getting comfortable myself with using Google Analytics, I quickly became one of the go-to people within the marketing department at my company for all kinds of Google Analytics related questions. And this was really helpful to my career. And what I really like about this course from Google in particular is that they provide you with demo account content, data, and lots of exercises to just help you really understand and be able to demonstrate what you've learned. And this course will also help you to prepare for the Google Analytics Individual Qualification Certificate, which is also quite useful to have on your CV when applying for jobs.